How's your office on paper? If you're like most offices, you are just swamped with paper. Now, it's not just one piece of paper. It's all the volume of it. Well, there's a solution that's waiting for you now with a little product called DYMO File, and it comes from a great source, people that are related to CardScan. If you're familiar with CardScan, you know what it's like. And matter of fact, the Director of Marketing for CardScan joins us now, Tom Stearns. Tom, good to have you with us.
Terry, nice to be here. Thank you.
Now, tell me about this new technology you've got. I see we got a stack of paper. Here, if we can look at this here, we got the paper here, and we know that we've got a whole bunch of other things here with your computer, and you got some machines here, and you got another one over there. But with this, you can get things organized in the office. Tell me about that.
Yeah, Terry. DYMO File is designed for dealing with stacks of paper. Many companies, small-sized businesses, deal with stacks of paper every day. And it's not just one, it's the whole stack. And we have a superior solution for turning that stack into digital information.
Okay, show me how that's happening.
Sure. Well, it's very simple, Terry. One, you just name your file. So I have a NDA here, and then I choose the format.
That's a non-disclosure agreement.
Thank you. I choose a Word document format. I can choose from Word, PDF, or Microsoft Excel.
So Word, PDF, Excel, very common formats.
Mm-hmm. Then within my Windows file structure, I choose a place that I want to put this file, or I create a new folder.
So you're calling it NDA.
NDA, open that. And then I just click Reservation. And two things happen now, Terry. One is you can see that a barcode has been printed out from my DYMO label writer, which I just attach to the first page of my two-page document.
So you're putting the label on one page there, and it's a barcode that's going to let us know later where it is and what it is.
That's exactly right. And at the same time, a reservation has been made in the software. You can see that NDA there. And then I just repeat that process with as many documents as I want. And then when I have time, or at the end of the day, I walk over to my sheet-fed scanner.
Okay, so now we're going over here to the sheet-fed scanner. Take a look at that one. We'll put it in there like so and tell us what's happening.
Now, I just press the scan button, and it can be any sheet-fed scanner that can handle stacks of documents. Most offices have this equipment already. And DYMO File technology, patent-pended DYMO code technology, is going to read that barcode and tell the software exactly what kind of format this should be in and where it should go. And at the same time, we have powerful optical character recognition technology that will turn all of that information into editable text in my computer.
So now we've got it not only scanned in there, but it's also editable so that we can go in, we can change that, we can change the stuff that we want on Word. If we got to say, ooh, we need to add a little note here to that or adjust a few things, we can do that easily.
Exactly. Now that it's actual text, you can open the file and you can edit it if it's a Word document. You can see now that hard piece of paper I had is now editable text. Or, because it is real text, I can search. So before, where information perhaps was unsearchable in the hard copy format,
we can do it when we spell it right. You do have to spell it right, Tom.
Yeah, you do have to have some typing ability.
That's okay, but we see that it found it right there. It found that particular thing, and so we've got a practical way of getting things organized in the office.
Right. Now that it's digital, I can reap the benefits of a digital office. I can share the file by emailing it around. I can save it to server so I can access it remotely. And it also keeps a secure copy on my server, so if anything happened to the paper version, I had an electronic one.
All right, sounds good. And Tom, if we want more information about that, what's the best place to go to read about that or get more information on what DYMO does?
Just go to dymofile.com.
And how do we spell that?
DYMO is D-Y-M-O, file is F-I-L-E.com.
All right, thank you very much.
Thanks, Terry.